Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the circumference of the circle and the length of an arc of a circle. So aralin muna natin ano ba yung circumference of the circle. Balikan natin. The formula to find the circumference of the circle is C is equal to 2 pi r. So in that formula, r is the radius of the circle. Or C is equal to pi d. In that formula, d is the diameter of the circle. But for today's video, magpo-focus tayo sa paggamit ng first formula natin, which is C is equal to 2 pi r. Now let's apply our formula with the following examples. Find the circumference of the given circles. Use 3.14 as the value of pi. By the way, pag sinabing circumference, ito po yung haba. Okay, pagka kasi ito, nag-select ka ng point dito, tapos susukatin mo yung haba around the circle, yun yung tinatawag natin na circumference. Maliwanag? So, ang radius natin for number 1 is 5 meters. Ang formula ng circumference is C is equal to 2 pi r. Ayan. So, C now equals 2. So, ang direction natin dito, kailangan naka 3.14 si pi. So, papalitan mo si pi ng 3.14. So, 3.14 times ang radius natin, which is 5. So, C now equals, unahin na natin to since commutative naman ang multiplication kahit alin dito maunang i-times. 2 times 5 is 10. So, that's 10 times 3.14. Now, pag tinimes natin si 10 at saka si 3.14, ang lalabas nating answer is 31.4. Ang magiging unit na natin dito is meters lamang. Hindi po naka-square, ano? Kasi sa area po yung naka-square. So, ang circumference ng circle is 31.4 meters. Yung sukat sa isang point, paikot, pagka po inikot yan, the total distance is 31.4 meters. That is actually the circumference of the circle. Now, punta tayo sa number 2. Sa number 2, ang given diameter. Ang diameter natin ay 6 feet. So, kung ang diameter ay 6 feet, syempre, ang radius natin will be 3 feet. Radius po ang kailangan natin. Kasi ang gagamitin nating formula is C is equal to 2 pi r. So, substitute mo lang, C equals 2. Ang pi natin is 3.14. Ang radius natin is 3. So, C now, or circumference equals 2 times 3 is 6 times 3.14. So, 6 times 3.14, pag tinimes po yan, our answer will be 18.84. At ang unit natin, hindi po naka-square, ano? Feet lang. So, the answer is 18.84 feet. So, ito ang gagawin kapag in-specify na sa direction na ang gagamiting value ng pi ay 3.14. Pero, syempre, merong express your pi units lang, gaya nung sa nauna natin na video. So, find the circumference of the circles and express your answer in terms of pi. So, pi units ngayon ang gagamitin. So, example pa rin natin si number 1. Ang radius natin, 4 centimeters. So, ang ating formula is C is equal to 2 pi r. Tama? So, ang r natin this time ay 4. So, C equals 2 pi times 4. So, 2 times 4 is 8. So, ang circumference natin is 8 pi lamang. The answer is 8 pi centimeters. Yun na po siya. So, naka-pi units, meaning merong pi na maiiwan sa iyong final answer. Next, sa number 2, ang diameter natin 18. So, ang diameter natin ay 18. So, ang radius natin will be 9 feet. Kalahati kasi. Formula to find the circumference equals 2 pi r. Substitute mo lang. C equals 2 pi times 9. So, 2 times 9 is 18. So, circumference equals 18 pi feet. Ito na po yung circumference ng ating circle. Hanggang dito na lang kasi naka-pi units dapat yung ating final answer. Maliwanag? Now that you know how to find the circumference of the circle, proceed tayo sa length of an arc of a circle. Diba sa una nating video, ang circle or ang arc ng circle na may measure in degrees. pwede rin nating makuha ang length of an arc of the circle. At ang unit na natin ginagamit doon is in radians. Para mas maliwanag, dapat yung answer mo dito naka-pi units. Arc length. To find the length of an arc, get the product of the ratio, measure of the arc over 360, and the circumference of the circle. So halimbawa dito kasi, ang kukunin mo is yung haba ni arc AC. So mula kay A hanggang kay C, gaano daw siya kahaba. So ito po yung ating formula. Sulat natin sa baba. So length of arc, ang ating pong formula, length of arc is equal to measure of arc all over 360 times the circumference. Ayan. Circumference of the circle. So, ito po yung ating gagamiting formula. Again, length of arc equals measure of arc over 360 times circumference of the circle. Parang may hawig siya sa sector, tama, sa area of the sector. Ang kinaiba lang, yung nandito sa may dulo, imbis na area, ang nakalagay dito is circumference of the circle. So, gaya din po nung nauna nating video, hahatiin natin yung solution into part A and part B. Tapos, para makuha yung length of arc, pagta-times mo lang po itong dalawa. Maliwanag? Apply natin sa mga examples. Number 1. Find the length of the indicated arc. So, ano daw ang length ni arc AC? Gaano daw kahaba si arc AC? So, gaya nung ginagawa natin, part A, kunin natin yung measure of the arc. Measure of the arc is 90 over 360. So, gagawin natin the lowest term. So, divide natin yung taas at baba ng kanilang GCF. Pwede dito ng 10. 90 divide 10 is 9. 36 divide 10, 360 divide 10 is 36. So, ito pwede pang i-lowest term. Pwede pa nating divide ng 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So, ito po yung pinaka-lowest term, 1/4. Next, sa letter B naman, ang radius natin is 2 centimeters. So, that's 2 centimeters. Ang kukunin natin this time ay circumference. Hindi na po area, no? C equals 2 pi r. So, C equals 2 pi times, ang radius natin ay 2 pa rin. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. This is now equal to 4 pi centimeters. Centimeters lang ang unit, ha. Ito na po yung ating pinaka-circumference. So, para makuha ang length, so, length of arc, okay, of arc AC equals, measure of arc over 360, ito na yon. So, 1/4 times the area of the circle, ito na yon. 4 pi centimeters. So, si 4 pi may denominator na 1. So, times mo lang, taas times taas, baba times baba. 1 times 4 pi is 4 pi. 4 times 1 is 4. Note, ito po pwede pang makancel. So, divide. So, the answer is pi centimeters. Pi centimeters are approximately equal to 3.14 centimeters. Yun po yung haba ni arc AC. Maliwanag po ba sa ating first example? Now, proceed tayo sa ating second example. Let's find the length of arc DF. So, gaano daw kahaba si arc DF? Ang measure of arc natin is 30 degrees. So, gaya ng dati natin ginagawa, 30 over 360. Laging over 360, no? Divide natin ng 10. So, ito magiging 3. Divide 10, magiging 36. Pwede pa itong lowest term. Divide 3, 1. 36 divide 3 is 12. So, 1 over 12. Okay? Sa part B naman, kunin natin ang circumference ng circle. Ang radius natin ay 3. So, radius is 3 centimeters. Ang formula ng circumference of circle is C equals 2 pi r. Tama. Substitute, C equals 2 pi times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So, ang circumference natin is 6 pi centimeters. Ito na yung circumference ng ating circle. Oh, sorry. So, ang circumference ng ating circle is 6 pi centimeters. Now, computin na natin ang length of arc. So, length of arc. Okay, length of arc DF is equal to, so kunin natin yung sagot sa A, so 1 over 12 times circumference, which is 6 pi centimeters. So, si 6 pi understood may denominator na 1. Taas times taas, baba times baba. 1 times 6 pi is 6 pi. 12 times 1 is 12 centimeters. Note, ito pwede pang i-lowest term. Ano lowest term nito? 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So, ibig sabihin, the answer is pi over 2 centimeters. Hindi na natin susulat yung 1 dito kasi 1 pi is the same as pi, di ba? So, the answer is pi over 2 centimeters. Note, dito pa lang, pwede ka naman mag-apply ng cancellation. Yun din po yung lalabas natin, pi over 2 centimeters. Maliwanag po ba ang length of arc? Now, proceed tayo sa ating last example. Let's find the length of arc XZ. So, gaya po nung nagawa natin, kunin po na natin yung measure of arc over 360. Kailan dito walang arc? Ang binigay lang, central angle. So, sa dati nating lesson, si central angle, equal lang naman yan kay intercepted arc. So, for A, that is 120 all over 360. You get the lowest term. Divide muna natin ng 10. 12 over 36. Dinivide natin ng 10 parehas. Pero kung kita mo naman na kagad, yung pinaka-greatest common factor, pwede naman na agad ka na kagad mag-divide nun. So, you will arrive agad-agad sa ating lowest term. So, ito dinivide ko muna ng 10 para mas makita ng iba, no? So, pwede pa natin itong divide ng, saan pa pwede? Pwede ng 4, tama? So, divide 4, this is equal to 3. Divide 4, this is equal to 9. Pwede pa ng 3. Divide 3 is equal to 1. Divide 3 is equal to 3. So, 1/3 po ito. Pwede naman kaagad-agad na 120 divide 120, 1. 360 divide 120, 3. Punta ka kaagad sa lowest term. Next, punta tayo sa letter B. Kunin natin ang circumference of the circle. Ang radius natin is 4 meters. Formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Ayan. Sa substitute, circumference now equals 2 pi times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So, C equals 8 pi meters. This is now the circumference of our circle. So, ang kukunin na lang natin is length of arc. So, length of arc XZ. Kahit symbol na lang pala, no? Kahit hindi na word. So, length of arc XZ is equal to, so measure of arc over 360, that's 1/3, times, okay, tignan natin yung times, 8 pi meters. So, si 8 pi, may denominator yan na 1. So, times mo lang, taas times taas, baba times baba. 1 times 8 pi is of course 8 pi. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So, itong 8 pi over 3, wala naman ng lowest term yan. So, ang pinaka-length of arc niya is 8 pi over 3 meters. So, I hope na intindihan na ang paggamit ng formula for the length of arc. So, that ends our video. Stay tuned pa sa mga susunod ko pang mga videos para mas lalo pa tayong matuto. Thank you for watching.